In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Elementor. When you're building a page in Elementor, it's completely normal to experiment and change your mind. Maybe you delete a word, move a section, or tweak a style, and then realize it doesn't look quite right. That's where the undo function comes in. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use it, step by step, so you can work confidently without worrying about making mistakes. First, start by opening the page you're editing in Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the page or post you want to adjust and launch the Elementor editor. You should now see the familiar Elementor interface, with your page preview in the main area and the widgets panel on the left. Next, we're going to make a small change on purpose, just so you can clearly see how undo works. Look for any text editor widget on your page. This might be a paragraph, a heading, or any block of text that you've added. Click on that text so it becomes active, and then delete a word or even a few words. You'll immediately see that the text on your page has changed. Now, let's undo that change. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+Z if you're using Windows, or Command+Z if you're on a Mac. This key combination is the standard shortcut for undo in most applications, and Elementor follows the same convention. As soon as you press the shortcut, you'll see the text revert to its previous state. The word or words you deleted should come back, restoring the content exactly as it was before you made the change. This is incredibly helpful when you accidentally remove something important or decide you preferred the earlier version. You can usually press the undo shortcut multiple times to step back through several recent changes, which lets you quickly roll back a series of edits if you went a bit too far. Just keep in mind that undo only affects changes made in your current editing session. Using undo in Elementor is a simple habit that can save you a lot of time and stress. Anytime you make a change you're unsure about, try it out. And remember that you can always press the undo shortcut to go back. That's all you need to know to start using undo in Elementor effectively.